Today we will be unboxing 3 amazing boxes. Brand new Let's Checkmate series for the Monsters and brand new Sweet Bean figures from the new I Want a Hug series. Our first box will be the fridge magnet from the Let's Checkmate series for the Monsters. There's also a chance to get a secret. It's the Labubu Bishop magnet. This fridge magnet has amazing artwork and looks very cool. Our second box of the day will be from the Sweet Bean I Want a Hug series figures. There are 12 models to collect with a chance to get a super cute secret figure. Can we get our first secret today? No secret just yet, it's the When I'm a Little Devil figurine. Amazing colors on this one, really beautiful and a worthy addition to anyone's figurine collection. Our last unboxing will be the Monsters Let's Checkmate vinyl plush. What a beautiful hanging plushie this is! She has soft furs, a pretty crown on her head, and is wrapped in blue ribbon. Loving this plushie a lot that I bought 2 of these. Labubu Bishop fridge magnet. When I'm a Little Devil figure from Sweet Bean. The Monsters Let's Checkmate vinyl plush hanging card. We are still hunting for our first secret from popmart. Have you gotten any secrets so far? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.